Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Lemons versus limes. Mike Foster here. This is a versus, and we're going to talk about lemons and limes. And they're both citruses, both high in vitamin C, both very healthy for you. In fact, I have videos on why you should eat both of these delicious fruits. But what's the difference? Which one do you prefer? And when do you use one versus the other? Let's talk about it. First, let's slice these babies open. All right, here's the lemon. Let's just slice it right down the middle. And look how beautiful that is. Now, these are seedless lemons, the only ones I buy. But that's one of the biggest differences. Most lemons have seeds, but limes do not. So that's a benefit for the lime, although when you get them seedless, that's a baby right there. Here's that lime. And there's your beautiful limes. Look at that. Lemon versus lime. Let's get them both in there. Lime, lemon. Lime, lemon. Let's talk about these. All right, lemons. Lemons. Lemons, you can't eat fish without lemons. You don't put lime on fish, although you could. But lemons are great for fish. They're great for lemonade. You can have limeade, but I prefer lemonade. I drink lemon water, but I'll throw some lime in there too. Lemons are, they're, like I said, they're great to cook with, but for Mexican food, you're not going to use lemons. You're going to use limes. Limes are perfect for Mexican food. You're also going to use them for cooking. It just depends on what type of food you're eating and what your preference is. You can use lime for drinks. You don't put a lemon in a bottle of cerveza, right? You put the lime in there. You put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. I don't know what that means. Lemons versus limes. What's your preference? Sometimes it just comes down to taste. We got the lime, we got the lemon. Let me taste it. Gorgeous taste. Little, kind of tart at the end. Of course, they're both going to be sour and puckering. But I can eat this without getting really puckered like with a lemon. So lime, gorgeous. Throwing it out here. Now here's that lemon. You know what they taste like. Yeah, twice as strong as a lime, where it makes you pucker. So twice as tart. So you could say limes are milder and not as overwhelming as lemons. But if you're making a lemon water, if you're making a water and you want to tart it up with some vitamin C and some citrus, I choose lemons because I want that bite. Let me try again. I know you're all puckering up out there. My wife can't believe it when I eat it like this. Delicious. So which one do you prefer? I think that for fish and even poultry and different cooking, you got to use lemon. Same thing, I prefer lemon in a cocktail or a drink. But lime, you can't make Mexican food without lime. You don't use lemon in Mexican food. You put it on top of a taco. You squeeze it on anything you want. They're also milder if you don't want the huge bite of a lemon. And they're just as healthy for you. Which one? Which one do you like? Lemons versus limes. I love them both. But if I had to pick and I could only have one, it would be the lemon. Sorry, lime. They're both great though. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and on my socials. Keep living life 365 till next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
It's gorgeous lemon. Wipe my hands, wipe my face. Eat your fruit. Lime, lemon. Baba. Those are good.